How cool is that? This is what you just saw. World's largest cuckoo clock. How sweet is that? We are in Sugar Creek, Ohio, and the cuckoo clock goes on the hour. It starts dancing on the hour. So if you're ever in this area, stop by and check it out. This is Sugar Creek, Ohio. What a neat town. It's a little Switzerland, they call it. And it is really, really cool. All right, I just wanted to make sure you got to see the world's largest cuckoo clock today. I just thought that was pretty cool, pretty neat. You guys have a blessed day. And we're gonna check out here in Amish country. I hear a horse coming down the road. You don't hear that everywhere or see that everywhere in America, but in Amish country you do. And so we're gonna take a quick picture of him. We wanna make sure we don't take pictures of the Amish because they do not like their faces shown, but you can see the horse and buggy coming down the road here. They're actually just turned the corner. Oh, bummer. But anyhow, hey, you'll see that quite often here in Amish country. Have a great day, and we'll explore some more here in Amish country today. Have a blessed day. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Jeff, the Byway King. We'll talk to you in a little bit. Bye now.